us. So just got home from Toys for Tots. I was gonna say Toys from Tots, but it's Toys for Tots. Just got home and I got happy mail. So I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got. Our new bar program, which I'm really excited to start, is gonna be starting in January. So if you're needing a fresh start, you're wanting to try something different, this could be it. I'm opening spots up in our squad for January. So if you're not sure what you want to get for Christmas and you're kind of looking online thinking, what do I want? This could be a great time to join with us. You don't have to do bar, but bar is going to be really, really fun. And so I ordered some goodies, ordered the new program I'm going to share with you. So we just came out with vegan protein bars, 9 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 150 calories. And these are almond crunch. So excited to try these. This will be good. And then I ordered the bar program. So what you get for anyone who orders bar, I'll show you what you get, and then I ordered some extra goodies too. So I got you'll get it too when you order bar, the Getting Started Right. And it also comes with the calendar, which I love. And you guys have seen over here, it's not on the screen there, but I X off every time I do a workout. So this is kind of a shiny material, so I'm gonna need to get a Sharpie, but I just hang it up. And it's a 60-day program, and rest and replenish are in it, so you don't work out every day. It's like a 5-day workout. And then also you get the Beachbody Guide to Nutrition for this program, loaded with recipes. So like beautiful color recipes. So I'm excited to try this. And then also you get these motivation cards. And so each day the idea is that you pull out a card to motivate you and inspire you for that workout for that day. So, oh, they're sealed here. I gotta open it. So I need, should have brought scissors over with me. So what I love about these, and I think they're alphabetical, there's 65 cards to help you with your workouts, but it's I am adaptable, and they're beautiful, beautiful cards. I am adventurous. I'm ambitious. These are all alphabetical. I'm extraordinary. So just positive reinforcements. Our words really do have power, so you want to make sure that you're speaking positive things over yourself and your life. And this is a great way to start your workout and start your day. So that comes with it. Now, any girls who join our squad for January with bar, and my current girls who decide to do bar too, I'm going to be sending a decal for your shaker cup. And then let me show you some other stuff you can get. They have a whole clothing line that comes with bar. I got a pair of the bar socks, and they only come in one color. And then I also got a bar shirt, and this says, guess what? All those reinforcement words. And it says, I am in rose gold, and then adventurous, ready, aligned, awesome, committed. And it's a little bit oversized. I got it in large, and I'm wondering if I should have sized down, but I think it'll be like long and flowy, and it looks like it's pretty open on the side. So I'll just have to wear a cute sports bra with it. But I almost suggest sizing down, but I'll have to try it and see. So next time I do a bar workout, I'll show you guys. And then on the back in rose gold, it says bar as well. So they had a lot of options, but those are the things that I decided to get. I thought I'd get the socks, and they say Beachbody on the bottom, and they have like grippies. And then I got the shirt. So I'm launching our group for January, and I'm getting girls enrolled now. So if you sign up with bar, I'll be sending you guys a shaker cup decal, and we will be starting in January. So I'll get all the dates to you guys. And if you want to do it together, we can start our new year off right together. So a couple things I should let you know with bar. You don't have to have a bar to do it. I'm gonna be using this desk as like my bar. You can also use a chair or something else to lean on. You can even use like a kitchen countertop. So don't feel like you have to have a bar for this program. I thought about installing one, and then I was like, no, it's just for one program. I think I'll be okay just using my desk there, or I may move a chair in here. So if you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment down below or send me an email at Medero Green Moments, so we can chat more about getting you started with bar or a different program for the new year. We'll have a new squad starting in January. All right, bye guys.